the Institute for Corpuscular Physics, "25 centuries ago, the Greek philosopher Democritus cut an apple in half, affirming that if he could do it, it was because there was a void inside the apple through which a knife could pass. If he continued cutting each chunk, Democritus concluded that he would eventually have such a small piece of apple that it could no longer be subdivided. The atom." At the Institute for Corpuscular Physics, Democritus' followers use the latest technology to give increasingly precise answers to the eternal question, what are things made of? The Institute is where the University of Valencia and the Superior Council of Scientific Investigation converge. It is dedicated to the physics of particles and nuclei. The headquarters are situated in the Paterna Scientific Parc, are of recent construction, and count on the latest facilities as well as easy access. The Institute is divided into two large areas of work. One of them focuses on experimental physics, and the other one on theoretical physics. The Experimental Physics Department is working on international projects such as the construction of the LHC Atlas, a new particle accelerator in collaboration with the European Centre for Particle Physics in Geneva. Among the aims for this atlas is the detection of the Higgs particle, a new particle that might supply some clues as to the origin of mass. There are three principal activities related to the new accelerator: the construction of silicone detectors, the TCAL project, which consists of developing a hardonic calorimeter, and technological development for grid computation. Inside the experimental department, the nuclear physics team works on diverse applications of the gamma spectroscopy technique, exotic nuclei, and the treatment of radioactive residues. The Neutrino Physics Group is developing two international projects, Antares and K2K. The aim of the Antares project is to construct a telescope that can detect neutrino from the bottom of the sea, whereas K2K is an experiment carried out in Japan to study its mass in depth. The astronomy project Integral, which studies the structure of the galaxy, is underway in collaboration with Russian centers of investigation and with NASA. One of the lines of investigation that has most been promoted lately is medical physics. It is employed by applying images, above all X-rays, and hydrotherapy for the diagnosis and the treatment of diseases. Among the most recent projects are the Compton camera and the Gamma camera for the detection of some types of cancer. Meanwhile, the Theoretical Physics Department gathers the experimental information and applies it to the development of new theories of investigation. One of the most important is the Phenomenology Department, leader in Spain. IFIC also counts on three support units: electronics, computer science, and the mechanics workshop, where all kinds of specialists work on scientific instrumentation. The Institute of Corpuscular Physics has become an internationally renowned point of reference. This is due to the close collaboration between the University of Valencia and the Superior Council of Scientific Investigation, which allows them to share resources and budgets. And it is also due to the fact that this is an institute where physics is approached from a theoretical as well as from an experimental perspective. A very productive collaboration, which makes it especially competitive and with which only knowledge can end up winning.